is a big issue for kids with autism and toddlers with signs of autism. Today, we are covering some of the top 5 questions regarding sleep. Welcome back to another video from Turn Autism Around. I'm Dr. Mary Barbera, autism mom, board certified behavior analyst, and best-selling author. Each week, I provide you with a video or two about turning autism or signs of autism around. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can do that now. So today I'm sharing a small clip from an episode I did with Kelsey, our community manager, all about the questions regarding sleep. So let's show this little clip.
My child wakes in the middle of the night and is not consolable, kind of like a night terror. What can I do?
Yeah, so there are night terrors, and Lucas had some night terrors early on. I know Lincoln had night terrors, and I didn't even know this, but Kelsey kind of discovered it through getting a medical exam and advice and blood work, was that the iron deficiency was actually contributing to his night terrors quite a bit. Mm-hmm. And, you know, I do think that night terrors, I mean, they're very scary because it's like the child's just, like you said, not consolable. Mm-hmm. And, you know, I do think that a medical examination and blood work is really what you want to do. Kids can also have nightmares. And so you do want to be, you know, kids get sick, kids have, you know, vomiting or diarrhea or, you know, horrible virus or, you know, there are going to be times when you're going to have to go up in the room. You're going to have to help your child. You might have to lay down with them or stay in their room or help them in a lot of different ways. And night terrors are something that you can't just ignore. I mean, the child is really going through something, whatever the cause. So staying with them, making sure they're safe, and trying to figure out what is contributing to it, I think is really key.
Yeah, night terrors, and like Lincoln was not even like, he wasn't even there. Like he wasn't, you couldn't talk to him. Like it wasn't like a child that was inconsolable and was like, because you weren't there. So I finally found there was nothing that would snap him. My voice wouldn't snap him out. You could like touch him and like nothing would snap him out. But I found a song that would snap him out of it. So we would play the song, it would snap him out of it. And then he'd go right back to sleep before we figured out what was causing them. But one thing the pediatrician also did tell me is some kids who have night terrors have them at the same time every night, maybe from 1 in the morning or midnight. So if you can notice if there's a time pattern, waking them up directly before the night terror happens to kind of break their sleep cycle of that can help. Lincoln's was non-predictable what time it would be at, probably because of his deficiencies, and it was an actual medical issue. But they did say try waking them right before it happens if it happens at the same time every night. And I have had a client who that did work with, where you woke them up 10 minutes before the regular time and they stopped having them.
I hope you enjoyed that small snippet from podcast number 179. You can download a free sleep guide at marybarbera.com/sleep. If you like this video, please leave a comment, share with others, and I'll see you right here next week.